to the famous غوثیہ market, which is one of the few markets with kapra in the realm of defense. Just a few steps into the market, there's this guy who has Indian chicken curry, and he has stuff with kamdani, he has plain ones, he has cottons, he's got a massive selection. غوثیہ is one of those places where you'll find jewelry, you'll find lace, you'll find material, you'll find people working on material. Okay, so these ones have booty, so they're more expensive, they're 2,000. The material isn't pure, but it's really pretty and I like the designing. Okay, so you have to sort of wander around and look at the little lanes and explore and look at things and be a little bit intrepid. Okay, so do shop around because this guy in the corner has the same ones and his prices are good. And he's got some lovely fabrics as well. Okay, and this guy also has pure fabrics. He has chiffons, he has silk, he has wrought silk. This is the place to come. Okay, so this guy has these machine embroidered suits. This one is a shirt dupatta, and it has embroidered sleeves. The dupatta is embroidered, and it's like 4.5 before bargaining. Okay. Then, as you go up the stairs, there is more.